going on, YouTube? Josh here again, another YouTube video. Chronicles of the broken Cadillac. Woo! Here's gonna be the big issue: vacuum leak. There's only 14,000 made of the Cadillac Brougham. Well, 1992. It was last year made. So I'm having a hard time finding a diagram to these vacuum hoses. It's connected to the canister, and it looks like the cruise control solenoid, whatever you guys would call it. If anybody knows, or I could get a diagram to where these vacuum lines actually go, that would be much appreciated. Pretty much what goes on is I have to plug this, obviously I have to plug this up, because if the screw is out of it and it's just sucking in air, my engine makes a really loud cranking sound. Doesn't really sound too friendly on my engine. So obviously I have to plug it in for it to be drivable. So please reach out to me if you have any information on where I can find some diagrams, or if you own a 92 or 91 Cadillac Brougham, it could help me out. If possible, please comment, hit me up, let me know.